case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1980, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a pivotal case, Harris v. McRae, that questioned the constitutionality of the Hyde Amendment, a law limiting federal funding for abortion under Medicaid. The plaintiffs in this case argued that participating states should be obligated to fund medically necessary abortions, even when the Hyde Amendment made federal reimbursement unavailable, claiming violations of their First and Fifth Amendment rights. Prior to reaching the Supreme Court, the District Court had sided with the plaintiffs, invalidating the Hyde Amendment on the grounds of unconstitutionality. However, the Supreme Court reversed this decision and remanded the case for further proceedings, stating that the District Court had exceeded its judicial function. In the majority opinion, Mr. Justice Stewart explained that the Medicaid program provides federal financial assistance to states for medical treatment of the needy. Although participation in Medicaid is voluntary, states are required to comply with the Title 19 guidelines. As the Hyde Amendment, in its current form, prohibits the use of federal funds to reimburse the cost of abortions under Medicaid, except under certain circumstances, states are not required to fund medically necessary abortions when federal reimbursement is not available. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the Hyde Amendment was constitutional and met the equal protection requirement for congressional action, maintaining that as long as the law has a legitimate government objective and is rationally related to that objective, it remains abiding. Consequently, the case was returned to the lower court to continue proceedings in accordance with the Supreme Court's decision, and the appellee's challenge under the Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment was disregarded as they lacked standing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.